Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. So looking at dollar yen and GBP JPY, both of these instruments currently showing significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's quickly look at highest time frame, looking at the monthly chart on dollar yen to see how the market might be evolving. Now looking at the monthly perspective on dollar yen, we can see that this market is long-term bull market. Previous months we have seen a strong bullish engulfer. This month so far we have seen that narrow range. At the same time, we can see currently the market is coming for a deeper pullback. So this is the current monthly low, which is a very important support level. And what I think that after another retest on the monthly, we can expect another rejection as the market in this monthly time frame currently below this monthly support level, expecting further downside. If we look at the weekly perspective on dollar yen, we can see that from the weekly as well, this is a long-term bull market, but at the same time, we can see the market currently coming for a deeper pullback. Starting from this level, we can see there is a very strong impulse here on the weekly, followed by deeper pullback. And we can see another impulse here. We can see back to back 2 weeks narrow doji, followed by previous week a bearish candle with a long wick at the bottom. And we can expect what I think that this week we might see a weak fill, which may lead that dollar yen to come back down further, as there is a JPY news coming later this week. We can expect for this market to come back here to this support level. If we look at the daily chart on dollar yen, we can see that from the daily perspective, this is also, we have seen there is a strong breakdown here on the daily and followed by 1 day pullback. Today so far we can see after a retest of this previous support term resistance on dollar yen, expecting for this market to come back down further to create a new lower low. Looking at the intraday perspective on dollar yen, we can see the market is locally bearish. We have seen from this level there's a strong breakdown, pullback, another breakdown, deeper pullback. Now this pullback, we can see the market has reached that liquidity zone where there is also another liquidity zone, and at the moment we can see currently it's in a local upside for a deeper pullback, and expecting dollar yen to grab liquidity and then to drop back down further to create a new lower low to the monthly or weekly support level. So this is where what we can expect for significant trading opportunity on dollar yen. Now let's look at GBP JPY. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Looking at the monthly chart on GJ, we can see that from the monthly also this is a long-term bearish market at the moment. After the previous monthly bull candle from this monthly resistance, we can see that GBP JPY has got a strong rejection from the top, and with that monthly rejection, what we can expect in this instrument for the market to come back here to the support level to create a new lower low. Looking at the weekly chart on GJ, we can see that from the weekly perspective, this is the weekly triple top formation, and from that resistance line we have seen a clean breakdown. Previous weekly candle also a strong bearish candle with a long wick on both sides, which might lead this price back to the downside again on GJ, when I think that the market may drop here to the support level, and it may even could create a new lower low, as what is dropping is likely to drop. That's the law of trading. Now if we look at the daily chart on GJ, we can see that from the daily perspective also the market trend is down. From here there is a very strong drop, pull back to the resistance line, form triple top, strong rejection, narrow pullback, which is a sign of strong momentum in this market. And after the previous day's narrow doji, today you can see the market has crossed the daily high, and as soon as the price is going up, the sellers coming in the market, which is a sign that the market might lead that price back to the downside. And if we closely look at also the high of this here, we can see series of lower high formation, so the channel is bearish. Therefore in that direction we can expect a new lower low, and it might test this daily support level here. So looking at the intraday perspective for potential trading opportunity, we can see the market trend is down, a typical downtrending market structure here. And you saw that there was a head and shoulder here as well. The market has dropped here, creating series of lower high and lower low. So this is where, as soon as you will find suitable entry on GBPJPY after price action confirmation, we will be looking for selling opportunity to this level with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoyed this free education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.